Here it is, boys, the Pride V2 exhaust. Going to my uncle's shop. Most places is not even open yet, but he's taking care of me today. Thank you, Uncle. I'll see you soon. And that's how it sounds without the new exhaust. There it is, guys. Thanks to my uncle here. Sunday, that's a special day for me. And pulling in. Good morning, guys. Today I'm putting on the Pride V2 exhaust for the NSX. Check it out. My name is Sancho. Stay tuned. Gotta put the jack stands up, guys. So we're here at You Save Auto, my uncle's shop, and we're gonna be putting these Pride V2 exhausts on. And today is Sunday. He's not supposed to even be open, but he's taking care of me. You Save Auto. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look right there. And what do you guys think? Yeah? Looks good, right?
Too hot, too hot.
It's not heavy, guys. So we have the old, and then we have the new. All right, we're trying to put on the hangers here. Gotta be real careful. I don't want to, put a rag there just so that the stainless steel doesn't get scratched. But it's coming together.
Can you push?
And my phone's dying, so need my charger. Gotta have that charger, you guys. All right, we're back at it again. It's just a bolt. The other bolt was a little short, so now we found a bolt that's a little bit longer that needed to fit. I mean, if you need a bolt, he has thousands of them. Just gotta find one that fits. On one of them that it was kind of short. But going to work now. Bolt this baby on. I was thinking about removing this piece off, guys, this piece. So it shows the exhaust. What do you guys think? We had to drill a little bit of the bushings to make sure that the exhaust wasn't going to touch. Because this is touching. See, it's touching right here. So we need to make just a little 1/4 inch so that it doesn't touch the rear vent. We're about done here. We had to adjust the bushings, drill it, just so that it doesn't touch, You need that clearance, see? So it doesn't touch a carbon fiber piece. All right, we're getting the car down, guys. It's done. So the exhaust has been installed. This is gonna be the first startup of the new exhaust, so stay tuned. totally sounds so different from the startup to the rev. It has a little crackle, which I like it. But I'm gonna do a pull and I'm taking off, so we'll hear how it sounds on the streets. Wow, it does sound throatier. It sounds like it's easily revved, and the RPM kicks up. But the RPM kicks up faster, and it sounds throatier. So let's drive here. Let's see. Oh, it sounds good. I like it. Oh, it has a scream at the end. It has a scream at the end, guys. And I haven't even V-teched yet. Alright, let's hear a little V-tech here on the second gear pull. Oh! Right there, that's where I'm at. Sounds insane, you guys. I love it. Hey you guys, I just did a pull, first gear, second gear, and you can hear the crackle on that first gear. It's so nice. I recommend every NSX owners to get a Pride V2 exhaust, the 2.5 inch piping. Can't go wrong. Here's a little rev. Wow. Wow. Listen. Let's do this little pull here on the freeway, guys. Sounds insane. Sounds so good. So I did a few pulls, and it seems like it has less drone. It's not as loud in the car, but I know it's loud, but it doesn't sound loud in the car. It just sounds good, and it feels like it pulls faster, harder on the acceleration. It comes out easier. The acceleration definitely feels like it comes out easier. I recommend you guys to get in the Pride V2 exhaust if you guys have an NSX, especially the 2.5 inch. It sounds so good, acceleration, and the RPM goes up fast. It feels it just slightly. I can totally tell the difference. The exhaust sound wise, I love it. It sounds great. It sounds insane. It has a little crackle at the end, especially first gear at the end. But no drone like on the freeways. Like unlike my old exhaust, the last exhaust, it has a drone, like a louder drone. This one has less drone, and it sounds good. Less drone, sounds good. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna end the video here, but yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Until the next one, you guys, peace. Oh, it sounds good. I like it. At the end, it has a scream at the end, guys, and I haven't even V-teched yet. All right, let's hear a little V-tech here on the second gear pull.